Hey everyone, welcome back to another course video. Today's objective is to learn how to print list in different formats. Python provides endless ways to output information. In fact, the number of ways would amaze you. This chapter has shown just a few of the most basic methods for outputting list. Real world printing can become more complex, so you need to know a few additional printing techniques to get you started. Using these techniques is actually a lot easier if you play with them as you go along. Now let's get started. In the previous video, you use a for loop to print the individual items of a list. This example takes another approach. It uses the split operator, also called the conditional expansion operator, and an assortment of other interesting terms to unpack the list and send each element to the print method. This sep argument tells how to separate each of the printed outputs relying on a newline character in this case. Now let's run the code and check. As you see, we get the expected results. These two statements lead to same results. The point of showing you this is to tell you that you should use the approach that best suits a particular need. The first statement uses a for loop. Code doesn't have to appear on multiple lines. This example takes 2 lines of code and places it on a single line. However, it also demonstrates the use of the rjust method, which justifies the string. Numerous methods of this sort are described at the Python documentation. You can find the link down below. The second statement uses the join method to join the new line character with each member of colors. Let's run the code. As you see, the results of the two statements are the same. Just follow along with me, then I will explain everything. Print first 0 new line, second 1 dot format colors. So in this case, the output is formatted in a specific way with accompanying text, and the result doesn't include every member of colors. The entries of the numbers 0 and 1 represent placeholders for the values supplied from colors. This statement will print first 2 items / colors of the list. If you want to print more colors, just add more placeholders. Let's run the code. As you see, we get the desired results.